Today's presentation, I wanted to start with the recap of quite recent news. Actually, a little while ago, less than a week ago, US government forced Anthropic to switch off two of its most powerful AI models. It showcases the state of the AI we have today. Your data is shipped somewhere else for processing. The costs are exorbitant and impossible to calculate. And for most important clients, the guys you are that are present at this conference, it's a no-go. We're talking about banks and the investment side, that's family offices and VCs, and that's finance teams inside large companies. Right now, they can only use AI for the mundane tasks. We're talking about creating a document or making a deck. Current AI solution cannot touch their confidential and important documents like financials, like core documentation relevant to their business. That's where they both hit the same wall. Their data is too sensitive to hand to an outside AI. Okay. Etoofinance is the system. It's not a model. It's the system that does this work. In order to do this work, any system must hit three major milestones. The data must stay sovereign. It means that it should be only accessible in the very encapsulated, so-called attested system. The information must be sealed, so both the users of this system must understand how their data is processed, which files AI is pulling during its work. If you are researching something online, this information must be clearly explained what the system is going to research, what is going to happen. And it must be end-to-end compliant. What does it mean? And I wanted to highlight. The system must understand which kind of business process you use and be able to support this sort of thinking and chain of reasoning based on your business processes. How the system works is when you type the request in plain English, before processing anything, the system will understand your request. It will create a plan, step-by-step plan, how this request will be processed. You can create as many batches and you can create as many flows of this request. You can upload your files and the system will do exactly what it showcased here. The most important part is that every number in the answer the system provides is grounded into the real information you provided. So every piece of number has its origination. The system showcases where it took this number, how it calculated it. The answer you receive goes through the whole batch of agents and whole batch of mathematical models available for the AI to orchestrate on. You get your bool agent, you get your bear agent, and you get your risk sentinel. This is the most important part because every piece of number, every piece of information is weighted against your constraints, your internal policies, and it's weighted against the correctness because the numbers are calculated using two methods. Because we use your own business logic when we start, or you see clearly how the system is going to operate, the costs are staying predictable. This is good for us because we understand the business model, and this is very good for you. Again, the costs are very predictable. The core technology is already running. We're hitting 900,000 requests per month of real financial analysis on our core system, and we are achieving sub 1% hallucinations in production when analyzing raw financial data. We are recognized in Saudi Arabia, that's one of our key markets, and we are licensed there. We're hitting Switzerland as well in the future. And I have an experience building such systems, and we have advisors such as guys from ex-Deutsche Bank who was a managing director there. Our revenue model includes licenses, API access, and more. Oh, we skipped. Yeah. In a nutshell, we are creating a frontier AI that's inside your walls and it's answering to you. We're looking for pilots. We're looking for regulatory introductions in the region, and we're looking for finance native capital. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure pitching in front of you.